Level up your Bitcoin data game with Lookup. Hey spreadsheet warriors, feeling like VLOOKUP champions after our last video? Awesome, but what if your Bitcoin data isn't stacked neatly in rows? Today, we introduce you to HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP's powerful partner for conquering sideways data. Imagine this, you have a spreadsheet with Bitcoin info spread across columns, with opening prices listed first. But you still crave that elusive closing price. HLOOKUP swoops in like a data superhero, letting you search across those columns and find the closing price for any date in a flash. No more scrolling or messy copy-pasting. This video unlocks the secrets of HLOOKUP, specifically designed for Bitcoin explorers. We'll break down the formula step by step, making it easy to understand, even if you're new to Excel. Get ready to master HLOOKUP and become a master of both horizontal and vertical data searches in your Bitcoin spreadsheets. Okay, next, let's take a look at the HLOOKUP function in Excel. To use the HLOOKUP function in Excel, in this video, we have used the Bitcoin price data. In 2024, for example, we would like to find the Bitcoin crossing price of 27 June 2024 that correspond to the Bitcoin open price. But to use the HLOOKUP function, we just use the command HLOOKUP function. You will see HLOOKUP function pop out here. You just double click to select it. Then let's take a look at the first value. The first value called lookup value. Lookup value means the value to choose for in the first row of the table. Okay, from here, we look at O3. Then the next is the table array. The table array can be 2 or more rows of data. That is short in ascending orders. For example here, the table array ranging from K3 up to the A06 here. Alright? Then, the next is row index numbers. The row index numbers is in the table, from which the matching value must be returned. The first row is represented by 1. For example here, we select from K3. That means the row number 3 is 1, then 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And the last one is exact match or false. Let me repeat again. To use the HLOOKUP functions, we call the command HLOOKUP. For example here, we look up at 03 or 60,811 in the table array from K3 to A06. Here. Okay? For the index numbers, we count from the first row that we selected, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we choose 4 here. And the last term is exact match or false. Then we just press enter here. You can see the Bitcoin crossing price of 61,605 from here has been retrieved to this self by using the HLOOKUP function in Excel. This Bitcoin crossing price corresponds to the Bitcoin open price that we chose for. Okay? Alright, Bitcoin data detectives, you've just leveled up your skills with lookup, conquering those pesky sideways surges for Bitcoin closing prices. Feeling like a spreadsheet samurai? We knew you would. But there's more to the lookup function family than just lookup and lookup. Next up, we'll be tackling the lookup function, your secret weapon for those trickier data hunts where your information isn't neatly organized in rows or columns. Stay ahead of the curve. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video where we unlock the power of lookup and even more lookup functions. We'll have you mastering every corner of your spreadsheets in no time. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're alerted for future data adventures. See you next time.